Hold the mic.
What are you doing?
Aussie! Car sales.
Yeah, bro.
That's you.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck
What's
it.
going on, bro? What's your name?
My name's Dustin.
Does your mum know you're out?
Yeah, my mum knows me out,
You
bro.
anything you want to say to your mum?
I want to say to my mum, I love you, bro, and this is my girlfriend, Izzy. I love her f***ing nose.
Izzy, how you doing?
Can I hold the mic?
What are you doing?
Hey! I never thought I'd say this cunt. This is my best friend.
Love ya.
I love you too, bro. This is for all the Parramatta supporters.
Are you a diehard Parramatta supporter?
I'm a die-hard Parramatta fan that wants a VY Commodore.
Jimbos, that's for you, brother.
If you want to buy a car, go to Dealer Car Sales,
You
bro.
guys heard it.